Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I created this really pretty, I would say like a sunset eyeshadow look. I used some oranges, some reds, some really pretty golds, and I really like the way this look came out. I didn't know what I was going for. I was just playing around with some color, and this is how it turned out. So if you guys like this look, then please keep on watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down below anything that you guys would like to see. And make sure that you hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I do post. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm priming my eyes with my LA Girl concealer, and then I'm going to set that concealer with the Maybelline Shine Free Powder. Nothing new there. Using my Morphe 350 Nature Glow Palette, I'm taking that orange color and I'm going to use it as my transition shade. I'm taking this reddish orange shade and I'm placing that right on top. Now I'm using my Morphe 350 M palette, and I'm taking that red shade and I'm going to focus that in my crease and also on the outer part of my eye. Going back to my Nature Glow palette, I'm going to take this light orange shade and I'm going to just focus that on the edges just to soften it out. Using my Glam Metals Palette, I'm going to take the shade Rebel, which is this nice, pretty copper shade, and I'm going to place it on my lid, but of course I'm going to be using my MAC Mix and Medium Liner as the base so that that color does not transfer into my crease. I sprayed my brush with some setting spray just to make that color pop. Going back to the Morphe 350 M palette, I'm taking that red color and I'm just taking this small blending brush just to blend in that copper shade with the red. Moving on to the face, I'm using my NYX Angel Veil Primer, If you have oily skin, this is a really good primer that you can get from the drugstore. I will say that it does leave a white cast, but once you put your foundation on, you won't even see it anymore. And of course, I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in Warm Coconut, my favorite foundation right now. To conceal, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. To set my concealer, I'm using my Ben Nye Banana Powder, and I am going to let that bake for a little bit. Going back to the eyes, I'm using that red shade, and I'm going to take this bullet brush, and I'm just going to drag that under my lower lash line. Taking the dark orange and the light orange, I'm going to blend that underneath that red. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to dust off that setting powder. I'm going to set my entire face with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder, and this is in the shade Cocoa. To contour, I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette. Nothing new. To highlight, I'm using the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette in the shade Mineral Glow. I'm going to bronze up my face using my favorite MAC bronzer. I don't know the name of this bronzer because I got this so long ago and the name rubbed off the back, so I have no idea, but I really think the shade is Raisin. Using my Tarte mascara, I'm prepping my eyes for my false lashes, and I will be applying those off camera. For lips, I tried something new. I used a Pretty Vulgar liquid lipstick in the shade My Lips Are Sealed, and as you will see, I was not feeling it. went ahead and put my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Terra on top because that first shade was not working out for me. I'm setting my face with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray.